Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be reviewing the March 2022 Allure Beauty Box. Here is the lovely brochure. And inside will be, hopefully, the choices I see here. Ooh, okay. This is nice. This is from Blink, B-L-I-N-K, Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. Never heard of this brand. Why you'll love it. What's the point of wearing mascara if it winds up on your lids or smudges? Oh, exactly. That is a rhetorical question, and one you don't need to worry about with Blink's Best of Beauty award-winning mascara. The jet black formula is made with tubing technology, and if you haven't tried a tube mascara, you're in for a treat. Okay, so tiny polymers wrap around each lash, more like a temporary extension than a mascara for a flake and smudge-free finish with tons of volume. The retail price for this bad boy is $26 US. It's a very sexy, non-assuming, kind of a purpley, yes, I use the term purpley, kind of mascara. This is a picture of it so you could see with better lighting. It looks sort of on the purple side. And I'm gonna open it because I've been loving to use, here we go, mascara lately. There's the label. It comes off very wet. I just heard that smack. And here is the, okay, there we go. And it's supposed to be like a polymer type of style as opposed to, but I wonder, does it clump? I don't know. We'll find out. I'm trying it now. It does have a scent, almost like paint, which I'm not too thrilled about. It has kind of a, sort of like paint fumes in a way. But it's supposed to be a different type of mascara, not your run-of-the-mill liquid glob it on type of thing, supposedly. So we'll see what's up. And no, I don't use eyelash curlers. For those who have just recently joined or subscribed to my channel or checked out one of my videos, I don't use eyelash curlers. I find them, I call them medieval torture devices. I don't like putting anything in my eyes, to be quite honest. I just get weird. So first and foremost, do I notice a huge difference? I don't have, like, despite the fact that I have all this lighting around me, I'm gonna see if there's a mirror. I'm looking to see. I'm gonna turn this a little bit so I can see. It doesn't really curl, but I'll keep using it to see. It's not like it's gonna go to waste. Alpha H. You can see that there. So this is a skincare brand, and it does quadruple duty according to one of the editors here. It says it works as a toner, exfoliator, serum, and moisturizer. A 4-in-1? What? That's a tall order. What's the retail price for the Alpha H Liquid Gold with glycolic acid? $54. I had to look really close because I'm like, what? $54 US. I don't think I've heard of this brand. I'm trying to remember if I ever received anything. This is a concentrated skincare, and it's supposed to do 4 things: tone, exfoliate, and then also be a serum and a moisturizer. This I've got to see. Revitalizes and assists in firming the skin in a single application through a multi-action formula of silk, protein, and licorice. And this is like an overnight. This award-winning overnight facial targets tired aging of the skin to renew tired and sun-damaged complexions while improving skin texture and tone. Clinically proven to decrease wrinkle depth, reduce roughness, and increase moisture within the skin. So this is promising a lot. Alpha H, really? You're gonna promise that much? Okay, here's the packaging. Very sexy, clean, clinical looking. This is the actual container within. I believe this is full size. This is 100 ml, 3.38 fluid ounces concentrated skincare. Liquid gold with glycolic acid. Okay, do I have to twist this or what? I don't know. Oh, here we go. All right. I thought this was a spray. It's actually one of these. So, yeah. I don't smell anything quite yet, so I wonder if there's a little... Yes, there is. There's a protected sealant on there. It smells kind of... I don't want to say clinically, if that's a word. It's a liquid. Looks yellowish. Doesn't have a fragrance, like it's not a flowery fragrance. It's not a sweet fragrance. It definitely smells like, dare I say, chemicals. I'm intrigued. All right, so what do we have here? This is the Shani Darden Retinol Reform. The skincare wonder is the star of this jellied serum, a Best of Beauty Award winner, curated by celebrity facialist Shani Darden. Okay. It's the rare retinol formula that is effective yet gentle, boosting its key ingredient with line-smoothing alpha hydroxy acids while cushioning it in soothing, hydrating ones, such as aloe vera, glycerin, and rosemary leaf extract. This baby, which I'm assuming is a sample because it looks really tiny, $88 US. Is this full size? This couldn't possibly be full size. Wow, okay. I will look up that information and see. But if this is full size, $88, this better clean my... You know how I feel about certain aspects of overly pricey skincare options. I mean, they promise a lot and short of cosmetic surgery. So I will be definitely checking this out. I just want to see. They say it's a jelly texture. All right, let's see if it's a jelly. Okay, so this is the thing of the bottle here. This has to be a, okay, so it has like a pump. Okay, so it looks like vanilla pudding. I'm trying, you know, it automatically assumed it would smell sweet. So I'm just gonna see if I can blend that right here. It's kind of on the liquidy side. It's a little thicker than water. It's like a serum. It has that kind of almost like, not tackiness, but almost like a, yeah. And the scent smells sort of earthy. Like whatever the extract, I think it was licorice they mentioned as an extract. I will, what was the, yeah, I know they said something here what the extract was. It definitely smells like plants. That's what it smells like, a plant. Rosemary leaf extract. So as a leaf, it definitely has that scent. So it does have a fragrance, but it's not overly, it's not overt. It doesn't smell like candy or flowers. So in that sense, it's good. But if you absolutely can't have any kind of fragrance, then this may not be. Ooh, wait, I think I've seen something from this brand before. Yes, I have. And this is Aiko Double Act Shadow Stick in Dusk and Dawn. You see the stick there? Really cute, double-ended, see? And it comes with a sharpener. What? I love it. The retail price for this is $25. How do you make a smoky eye look like naturally messed up as opposed to, well, a train wreck? On one end, you'll find Dusk, a deep chocolatey brown. Ooh, and on the other, a warm bronzy brown called Dawn. Each looks great worn alone as a liner, but these creamy, easily blendable shades really shine when paired together. Okay, I will definitely be trying that. I'll showcase it in another video. But I believe this is the sharpener. Really cute. I know I've gotten that before from Aiko, and I think that's very practical and very cool. And I know that it has to be creamy because it's Aiko. Why would it not be? So let's try here. Oh yeah, it goes on like a dream. Let's try the other side. Oh yeah, without a doubt. That's the chocolate, and that is the milk chocolate. Totally like it. Loving it. It's a most welcome, pleasant surprise. Briojio made it in this month's Allure Beauty Box. And this is, again, one of my OGs, faves. This is the Briojio Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. If you have not tried this and you have issues with your scalp, whether it's been itchy, dry, or overly oily, this will balance your scalp like nothing. At least it has for me. I'm talking from my own personal experience. If you never tried Briojio and you're at the wit's end regarding your hair, I think that you may want to check Briojio out. This stuff is magic. So this is a sample size, obviously. The size for the small tub that you see here would go for $42 US. And yeah, it's a little pricey, but I believe Briojio does have a pay installment plan, so check it out. Yeah, this is their The Rich Cream. And this is obviously a sample because I hate to think that this is full size because, yeah, this is not the full size. The full size, they have retail price here of $280 for 50 ml. $280? So this is they call this the Heathers of the beauty world, according to this Allure brochure. An instant cult hit. Its star cream is a major multitasker containing amino acids, vitamins, squalene, and hyaluronic acid to get ready for another long list. Smooth, brighten, hydrate, and smooth. So far I have two products that are kind of promising similar things, but the price tag on this is, it's just startling. So this is sample size, and it comes with, wow, I mean, an instruction booklet. Okay. Wow, okay. So from this to this, I'm just blown away by this price tag. And this is the sample. It would have really blown me away if they had actually put one in there. But wow, $280 US for 50 ml. Okay. Something else. Oh, remember this OG Cetaphil? Cetaphil. Oh my goodness. So what do I think of a fresh start for the March 2022 Allure Beauty Box? I love this photo. She is gorgeous. I would say overall the fresh start. This is a fresh start. Basically skincare, hair care option. I'm all for that. I would give this box an A. Have you tried Allure Beauty Box? Are you a subscriber? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing from Allure, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.